This is a game called Sokoban 3D. As you can see, it displays the Sokoban puzzles in a 3D form. This particular version gives you a board that you can actually change the angle of. For example, if I use page up or page down, it'll come in like this. If I do page up, it goes back that way. If I use the W key, it does that. If I do the S key, it goes back the other way. If I want to rotate the puzzle on the center axis, I can do this. That is the D key. This is the A key. Getting it centered again is not the easiest thing to do. There we go. Now, I'm going to bring it back to here. Now, the point of this video is going to be to demonstrate that you can have a apparently flat surface that actually contains a curve. And I'm going to demonstrate it with this puzzle game because the game board itself appears to be flat. You can tell by the look of it and on. It looks completely flat. Right? There is no apparent curve to it. Now, in order to demonstrate the curve that is contained within this seemingly flat surface, I am going to move boxes. The round ball you see there is the pusher. Okay, I'm going to bring the puzzle back up. I'm going to come up here, push that one up. Now I want you to watch how the box moves. You notice how the part the ball is pushing becomes more visible as I go that way. Okay, this is the undo key, by the way. Now I'm going to push it the other way. Do you see how the side that was visible becomes invisible? That is the curve that this game follows. Even though this board appears to be, oops, I did it wrong, appears to be completely flat. There is a curve to it. And it's not just from side to side. I'm going to come over here and demonstrate with one of these that it does the same thing going up and down. You see the difference in the curvature by the difference in the angle that the side that's visible is displaying. And we can see it even more so. If I do that, you can actually see, see the curve as the box moves. And yet this surface does not appear to be curved. This game board fits in my screen. My screen is infinitesimally small compared to the surface of the Earth. If the surface of the Earth appears flat, it's only because it is so large. And if this image can produce a seemingly flat surface that still is curved, then that indicates the size of a globe that this surface would be a part of. I'm not the scientist or mathematician to tell you exactly what the size of that globe would be, but I imagine that it would be significant. I would imagine something on the order of the size of Los Angeles in diameter, as much as Los Angeles is in width or height, if you will. latitude or longitude. So yes, a fairly sizable globe, yet significantly smaller than the Earth. So I believe that this completely refutes the idea that the Earth can't be a globe because you can't tell a curve just by looking. Thank you very much.